Hello. Well, in this video, we are going to practice the cost estimation methods. So let's go. Okay, we are in the bestmba.org platform, and the question is the following. Which of the following cost estimation methods is based on studies of what future costs should be rather than what past costs have been? Option A, engineering method. Option B, accounting analysis. Option C, visual curve fitting. Option D, regression. So now, pause this video, go to the comments, place A, B, C, or D. Which one of these options do you think is the right one? Then click like to this video and then click play, and I will tell you which is the right one. Okay, I hope you have already placed in the comments your option, and now let's check which is the right one. Okay, let's start with an accounting analysis. Okay, accounting analysis is analysis or to analyze the counting, so analyzing the past, right? If you don't have a past, you don't have accounting. So this one, it is not the right one. Visual curve fitting. It's something similar, but in this case, visually. I mean, in order to have something visual, a visual curve, you need past data, right? So this is not looking to the future, it's looking to the past. Let's go to the next one, regression. Regression, it's looking back. It is again looking back to the past. So this one, it is not the right one. So the right one is engineering method. Engineering method, it's about breaking down a complex task or project into small pieces of work, right? This is the work breakdown structure, right? So once you have a small pieces of work, you are able to estimate time and estimate cost. And once you have the cost of each of the small pieces of work, you can add all these small pieces of the cost and finally to calculate the total cost of your project or of your complex task, right? So let's check this as the right one and let's check the platform. Okay, here it is calculating, and yes, it seems that we have choose the right one. Okay, the right one, the cost estimation method, that it's looking to the future and not to the past, is the engineering method. Well, I hope that you also choose this one, and that's all from my part. See you in the next video. Bye bye.